Hello FLLS fam, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Maru, lifestyle blogger and content creator, and here on the channel I share all things home decor, beauty, fashion, and so much more. Heavy on the home organization and decor, as some of you may know. Today I'm bringing you along with me for a DIY spray painting transformation of this beautiful accent cabinet that I got years ago, 2005 to be exact. When I was a teacher, I was a math teacher and went to Target after work with my homegirls. And there was this thing called Target Global Bazaar. Y'all remember that? And I found this piece. I can't remember what country, continent it was from, but I fell in love with it. And after 17 years, it's transformation time. Let's go ahead and clear this stuff off and get going. I've got everything cleared off, and now we're gonna go ahead and give it a wipe down, including shelves. Before we start, I wanted to check the weather because Atlanta weather is crazy. The coast is clear, it's sunny, it's beautiful outside, and I'm ready to wheel this thing out back and start spray painting. For this project, I'll be using the Rust-Oleum Painter's Touch 2x Ultra Cover Spray Paint in Canyon Black and Satin, the satin finish. I think we're good to go. Are y'all ready? Let's look at her one time. Let her sashay and do her final walk, honey, because this color is no longer gonna be in the living room. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the shelves because I'm lazy. Yes, I am. I'm going to insert the brackets that the shelves in and then spray the top of the shelf, the front. I am not spraying underneath. I think I honestly might go in and hand paint this with a roller and can paint. I just wanted to kind of spray it and get the color saturated with black because I had the black spray paint. So for now, we're just going to go ahead and spray, but I'm not doing all of the corners and nooks and crannies. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I'm only doing the places that you can see. Okay? And 17 years later, and the track for the doors some of them aren't working. So we're going to come back to this. I think I'm going to try to do an open concept for now. Now let's figure out what pieces we're going to use for styling, honey. And now, my favorite part, the final reveal. That's a wrap, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. You did not have to take the time to watch, but you did. And for that, I am truly grateful. Be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.